हाय फ्रेंड्स। आज सुबह जैसे ही दिन शुरू किया और थोड़ी देर के बाद व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस खोले तो फॉर सम रीज़न आई वाज जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू पहले के मैसेजेस और उसमें एक लाइन जस्ट स्ट्रक माई माइंड। कहीं से कुछ सेव कर रखा होगा, विच सेड तुम ही तुम हो तो क्या तुम हो, हम ही हम हैं तो क्या हम हैं। इट्स अ लाइन विच आई रियली लाइक बिकॉज it sort of tells you that think beyond yourself. Don't get caught up with thinking you're better than someone, or in some cases if you're too critical of yourself, don't keep thinking I'm the worst. Any which way ना, दोनों तरह से यही बात हुई कि इतने भी क्या सेल्फ obsessed हो, तुम ही तुम हो तो क्या तुम हो, और अगर हम ही हम हैं तो भी क्या हुआ। Making somebody larger than life or then yourself thinking you're a little superior or inferior to someone are both flip sides of the same coin, I think, nahi? And imagine that the next message which struck me when I was reading through it said, जर्रे जर्रे पे खुदा का रहमो करम है, ना तुम पे ज्यादा ना हम पे कम है. Instantly it brought a smile to my face, and then I just continued to think that this is so true. For anyone to think that he or she is superior or inferior would require some sort of a lack of maybe faith in God, isn't it? One would really have to be of a mindset that said nobody's looking out for you. No? So it was such a nice start to the day, and then I stepped out as I always do. I play with my dog and my cat in the mornings, and it's a beautiful way to kickstart because they're always looking towards you for some happiness, for some extra attention, for a sense of all is well in their lovely darling lives. Now, so I stepped out and these two lines were just carrying on in my mind, that why can't we look at the soul within others instead of always thinking I'm superior, and it's not to say that I don't do it. It's to say that I also do it, and it's to say that the more you can remember these things, the more you can check yourself, the more you can see yourself changing a drop at a time, the more you can reach out. So because I am a counselor and I do my 2 paisa bit in the world, or with my close set of friends, relatives, or those that I help in my own little way, I repeat these same lines to them, that what if we looked at every driver or everyone standing at a gate or everyone who's serving you or the gardener who comes to your house, and look at them and realize that everyone's doing their best, and that don't get so caught up with yourself and your identity, whether you're looking down upon yourself or you're looking down upon others, that it overtakes your life and it doesn't let you look at the beauty within other lives. No? So, just a thought. I thought I'll just share it because we've been told by this fantastic human being, who's like a mentor, because I'm doing this course with NLP, and we have Ram Verma sir taking us through this brand new discovery that when you think and when you talk openly and you allow yourselves to expand your horizons and to think in a certain way, you'll emerge as brand new beings. So it's a beautiful journey, and it's day 4 today. So we'll keep sharing. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.